Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to switch accounts on YouTube app. So first of all, I want to just launch the YouTube application on my mobile device. So the options are same whether you're using Android or iOS device. So for switch account, we will move in the right bottom corner. You will see your profile icon. I want to just tap on it as well, and as you can see my channel name, and you will see the switch account option. So I want to just tab on it as well. So right now there is an option to add account. So if you have already add account, you will see the options to switch your account. Otherwise you will be just tab on it, add account. So simply just add your account by the signing of Google, and whether you add it, you will be able to switch your accounts on YouTube. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.